Introducing AI Publisher Software, a ChatGPT-powered info product creator tool. Create ebooks, tutorials, guides, or reports in any niche using the power of ChatGPT. Turn any keywords into complete, ready-to-profit info products within minutes. The keyword ice cream recipe turned into an ebook within minutes. You can download this finished product in PDF, text, or MS Word formats. The keyword phrase dog care turned into a guide on pet care. You can create marketable products without writing a single line of content. Here's another ebook created for Forex trading. As you can see, ClickBank affiliate offers are inserted in this ebook. You can give away this ebook to build a huge list and generate affiliate commissions. You can use this software to create unlimited, ready-to-publish ebooks, reports, and tutorial guides. A cloud-based software with an easy-to-use interface. No ChatGPT API required. No ChatGPT monthly subscription necessary. No programming skills needed. No content creation required. No software installation setup required. If you know how to click, copy, and paste, then you can generate income using this software. You never have to write, research, or brainstorm ideas. AI will do that for you. You don't have to worry about ChatGPT prompts. This software will create them for you. We have provided step-by-step video tutorials and a quick start guide. Just follow 6 simple and easy steps to create an info product. Step 1. Enter a keyword. Step 2. Select the audience you want to target. Step 3. Select a sub-niche from the AI-generated list. Step 4. Copy and paste the content ideas generated by AI. Step 5. Copy and paste the AI-generated content. Step 6. Download the finished info product. You can download the finished product in 4 different formats: text, HTML, Word document, or PDF file. You can sell ebooks on your own website, digital marketplaces like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, or publish on Amazon. You can even sell them with PLR rights or turn them into video tutorials. Nothing can stop you from creating highly profitable, high-quality info products. Get instant access to this software. Take action right now,